Hello, I'm Derek Weakley again with Airstream Answers. Today I want to talk to you about the TV system with the surround sound. We'll show you how to get the sound from your TV over the stereo for movies, and makes a really nice effect. Now right now we have the sound coming over the television, and it just coming from this direction, okay? Now we're going to go over to the stereo. Now this particular coach is a Flying Cloud, but this will pertain to the International Signature or Serenity as well. You're going to come over and turn on your stereo, and it's going to boot up, and right now we're on tuner. The on button, you're going to push it again just one time shortly, and it'll go to aux. Now we have our TV through the surround sound, and there is a bass cannon under the seat as well, so you have a true surround sound from your TV for movies. Also, I'd like to point out that with the Samsung TVs, as long as you have an Android phone, there's a app called Peel is available for any phone that has an IR blaster. Apple unfortunately does not, and there are a few Android phones out there that do not. But if your phone does have, this is a free app, and it's a great one to work with the Samsung TVs. And what it'll do is it will conveniently turn your phone into a remote control to turn off and on your TV, change channels, volume, your source, menu, anything you can do pretty much with your standard remote that comes with the TV, you can do from your phone, so you're not digging around looking for remotes all the time. I'm Derek Weakley with Airstream Answers. Thank you for watching our video. I'm here at Airstream of South Florida in sunny Fort Myers. If you have any questions about this video or any of the other videos, please give me a call. My number's at the bottom of the screen. And if by chance this video didn't cover the problem that you're having, feel free to contact our service department. We are one of the largest dealers in the country. We have over 140 service bays to service you. Thank you.